From the days of George Roden, Herm McKinley, and Merlin Ottey, Jamaica has a rich history in producing elite sprinters who dominate in track and field events, particularly in the 100 and the 200 meter races. The next generation of Jamaican sprinters is likely to build on this legacy, fueled by several factors. Number 1, grassroots programs. Jamaica has a robust training program at the youth level, often starting in the schools. This foundation allows young athletes to develop their talent early on, and this can be found in several parishes in Jamaica. 2, coaching excellence. Many coaches in Jamaica have experience training elite athletes, providing the next generation with quality guidance and techniques that can be crucial for their development. 3, talent identification. Initiatives to identify and nurture young talent are key. Competitions like the Jamaican Administrative Athletics Association, the JAAA championships, help in this to spotlight young athletes, and also the boys and girls championships. We have the Eastern championships. We have so many athletics events around Jamaica that help on the grassroots level, not to mention the inter-primary. 4, role models. Legendary athletes like Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser Price, and Elaine Thompson era as inspires the young athlete. These achievements motivate the new generation to pursue excellence. 5, environmental factor. The Caribbean climate allows for year-round training. This is why so many athletes, even though they are not Jamaican, want to come to Jamaica to train because of the good climate, the warm sun that is conducive for training. 6, increasing access to technology and support. With advancement in sports science, nutrition, and biomechanics, young athletes have better resources to optimize their performance and training regime. 7, collaboration with international programs. Exposure to training camps and competition outside of Jamaica help athletes gain experience and improve their skills. Many of these athletes are going overseas so that they can train and get experience from different coaches. As we look to the future, keep an eye on emerging talent from the high schools championships and local competition, as they are likely to shape the next wave of Jamaican legendary sprinters. And we have a few names we would like to look at. The first name that comes to mind is Oblique Seville. We have Kishane Thompson. We have Akeem Blake, Boaji Nkrumah, to name a few. On the girls' side, we have Tina Clayton, also Tia Clayton, Brianna Williams, Alana Reed, Brianna Liston, Kevona Davis, Akira Nugent. With these guys at the end, the future looks bright and purposeful for Jamaica. The only thing that we need is Jamaicans to be behind these young athletes and push them along. There are times when they are going to fail. There are times when they are going to have a bad competition. But it's our duty and responsibility to keep loving them and keep pushing them and let them know that they are special and they are the bedrock of Jamaican sprinting power. This is Sports Circle 345. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel before you leave. Thanks very much.